Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an indicator script in Tradingview using the easiest 2026 methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any trader looking to move beyond amateur quality default charts and technicality customize their high-end studio workspace with professional grade market analysis tools. Let's get into it. First, open the Pine Editor dashboard. The first step is a mechanical necessity for accessing the technical backend of Tradingview. In 2026, the Pine Editor is the professional hub where all custom scripts are managed and modified. Look at the bottom navigation bar of your Tradingview chart. Click on the tab labeled Pine Editor. If it's minimized, click the small arrow to candidly expand the window. The Pine Editor is the high-end workspace where you technicality input the code that powers your indicators. It acts as the studio for your 2026 trading strategy, allowing you to bridge the gap between raw data and visual signals. Next, prepare a clean technical workspace. Before you can add your new script, you need to technicality ensure you aren't overwriting existing 2026 bookkeeping or old code fragments. Click the Open button on the right side of the Pine Editor bar. Select New Blank Indicator or simply highlight and delete any default text that appears in a fresh script window. Starting with a clean slate is a professional standard. It ensures that no amateur quality syntax errors from previous sessions interfere with the high-end market analysis script you are about to install. Next, paste your custom indicator code. Now you need to move your high-end technical logic into the editor. This is where your professional market analysis candidly takes shape. Copy your desired indicator script from your source, like a 2026 tutorial or a GitHub repo. Right-click in the Pine Editor and select Paste. This is the identity phase. In 2026, scripts are often optimized for PineScript v6. Pasting the code technicality transfers the mechanical necessity of the indicator's logic, such as buy-sell alerts or specialized moving averages, directly into your Tradingview profile. Click the Save button in the top right of the editor. Give your script a professional studio name, like 2026 High-End Alpha Signal, and click Save again. And that's pretty much it. To add an indicator script in 2026, open the Pine Editor at the bottom of your chart and clear out any old default code. Paste your custom technical script into the blank workspace and click Save to give it a professional identity. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.